My dear students, welcome to my channel. Actually, in business statistics, yesterday's exam I have seen one question. Like they have given mid values like 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. And frequency is also given and calculate median. See my dear students, when mid values are given, we have to calculate variable x. How to convert mid values into variable x means just to see the difference between any two mid values. 15, 25, difference is 10. Difference is 10. 10 by 2 we have to do. 10 by 2 means 5. Because that is the difference between any two. 10 is the difference. 10 by 2 you are doing. 10 by 2 means 5. So 15 minus 5. If you do 15 minus 5, it is 10. This will become lower limit. 15 plus 5, 20, 10 to 20. 25 minus 5 means 20. 25 plus 5, 30. Okay, 35 minus 5, 30. 35 plus 5, 40. 45 minus 5, 40. 45 plus 5, 45. Like this you should go on, my dear students. Like this you should go on. 45, 40 to 50. 50 to 60. 60 to 70. Let me explain once again how I have done means, my dear students, just keep in mind. I have seen difference between any two mid values. Here the difference between any two mid values is 10. 10 by 2 I have done. 10 divided by 2. 10 by 2 means 5 I got. 5 I got. 10 by 2 means 5. Mid value minus 5, lower limit you will get. Mid value plus 5, you will get upper limit. Okay, then my dear students, as you know, afterwards we have to write frequency as it is given. 6, 4, 10, 8, 2, okay, 7 and 3. Now we have to calculate cumulative frequency. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 8, 28, 28 plus 2, 30, 37, 40. Yeah, my dear students, n is equal to 40. N is equal to 40 we got. Now if you write the formula for median, m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into C. Again I am saying L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into C. See my dear students, L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into C. N by 2 means 20 by n is equal to 40. 40 by 2. I got 20. Now in CF I will see where I am going to get 20. Here I am going to get. I have to underline this. L is equal to 30. F 10. Above to this will become CF. Yeah. My dear students, if I am substituting here, L 30 plus n by 2 means 20 minus CF 10 by F is equal to 10 into class interval is 10. Then 30 plus 20 minus 10 means 10 by 10 into 10. 10 by 10. Okay. So means 10 by 10 means 1. 1 into 10. 10. 30 plus 10. How much I got? 40 I got. Yeah. 40 is the answer. Like this you need to do, my dear students. Like this means when mid values are given, first of all we have to convert them into continuous series. Keep in mind, again I am going to explain you how I converted. Difference between any two mid values I have seen. Difference between any two mid values is here is 10. 10 by 2 I have done. 10 by 2 means 5. Mid value minus 5, lower limit I am getting. Mid value plus 5, upper limit I am going to get. So why 5 means the difference between any two mid values. Difference between any two mid values I have seen. The formula for median, number of times I am saying, my dear students, L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into C. So they will give x and f. We need to calculate Cf and we have to calculate this. So try to learn, my dear student. This is very important, actually, very important. Sometimes, my dear students, same continuing the class after the board. Yeah. Now let us see one more problem. Here mid values are given. Yeah, mid values like this you will find 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and frequency is also given like 10, 12, 18, 16, 10, and 8 they have given like this mid values. Then how to calculate x? That is the question. As I said, see the difference between any two mid values. Difference between mid values is 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1 you are getting. 2 minus 1 means 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Yes. Next, 4 minus 1, 3. 4 plus 1, 5. 6. 6 minus 1, 5. Okay. 6 plus 1, 7. Like this. Like this you have to do, my dear students. 8 mid value 8 minus 1 means 7. 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. 10 minus 1 means 9. 11. 12 minus 1 means 11. 13. Like this. You can test. No problem. 11 plus 13, 24. 24 by 2, 12. Like this. Okay. Means try to learn when mid values are given, that should be converted into variable x. That is very important. Okay, these are all very important questions, my dear students. You should learn. And one more thing, sometimes they will give a question in inclusive series, like this they will give. See one example, one more example. If you can see, the series is like x and f. They have given 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29. Like this they gave. Okay, don't forget, my dear students. Like this, simply a simple question I have given. Then here this is known as inclusive series. This will be converted into exclusive series. Why? Because the upper limit will be the lower limit of the next one. But here it is not happening. So in such a case, what you have to do is less 0.5 from lower limit, add 0.5 to upper limit. From lower limit, less 0.5. 10 minus 0.5 means 9.5. Then 14 plus 0.5. How much you are going to get? 14.5. Lower limit less 0.5, upper limit add 0.5. Next 14.5 to 19.5. Next 19.5 to 24.5. 24.5 to 29.5. Means, my dear students, when the question is given in inclusive series, when you want to convert them into exclusive series, from lower limit less 0.5 to upper limit add 0.5. My dear students, these are all very valuable classes. You should keep in mind. So give the time and try to learn, my dear students. Okay. If you want to calculate median, just go on calculating CF. 6. See, some of the students may be having doubt. What is the meaning of CF? CF is nothing but cumulative frequency. 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 12, 22. 22 plus 8, 30. My dear students, like this. N is equal to 30. Now you can substitute in the formula L plus N by 2 minus F by F into C, like this. Hope, my dear students, this class is very helpful to you. In the session, what we learned is when mid values are given, how they are being converted into class intervals 0 to 10, like this, how we converted. And when the question is given in inclusive method, how that will be converted into exclusive method. All we have seen, my dear students. Make use of the class, learn it, maintain your notes, write down. These are all the classes given by a 25 years of experienced lecturer, just teaching to you. Okay, thank you. Make use of the class. That will be more useful for me. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, so that I will be more helpful to you in teaching of statistics and many other subjects. Thank you, my dear students. God bless you all.